In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your card website. Whether you want to include a podcast, music, or any sound element to enhance your site, I'll walk you through each step to make the process as smooth as possible. To begin, open up your web browser and go to card.co. This is the platform where you created your website. If you haven't already signed in, look for the login button at the top right corner of the card homepage and click on it. Now enter your account credentials and sign in. This will bring you to your dashboard where all your card sites are listed. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look through your list of websites and pick the one you want to add audio to. Click on the site's title or thumbnail to open the site editor. This editor view is where you'll be making all your changes. Now look over at the menu bar on the left or top of your screen, depending on your setup. Click on the Add Elements button, which opens up options for what you can place onto your website. From these options, choose Audio. This is the dedicated tool that lets you embed and configure sound on your card site. When you select the audio element, you'll be prompted to paste in a link for your audio file. Card is compatible with several popular audio hosting platforms like Audiomack, Bandcamp, Google Drive, Mixcloud, and SoundCloud. You'll need to use a direct or embeddable link from one of these services. Just copy your audio link from the platform of your choice and paste it into the URL bar that appears in the card editor. Before moving on, I highly recommend checking the option labeled Allow Background Play. By enabling this feature, your visitors will be able to continue listening to the audio even as they navigate from one page or section of your site to another. This is especially useful for music, podcasts, or any situation where you want uninterrupted audio playback. When your settings look good and the link is in place, click Done to confirm and add the audio element to your site. You'll see a preview of how it will appear to your users. To finish up, it's important to publish your changes so they go live on your site. At the top or side of the editor, find and click the Publish button. You may see a prompt to publish changes just to confirm everything. Click it, and after a moment, your website will be updated with your new audio player live and ready for visitors. That's the entire process. By following these steps, you can easily bring your card website to life with sound. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you add fantastic audio content to your site.